Natural ways to reverse cavities and strengthen teeth. A cavity is a small hole in your tooth caused by acids from bacteria breaking down enamel. The good news? Early cavities can sometimes be reversed naturally. Number 1 on the list, eat a tooth-healthy diet. Your diet plays a huge role in oral health. Cut down on sugar and acidic foods, which feed harmful bacteria and weaken enamel. Instead, focus on foods rich in calcium, phosphorus, and vitamins D and K2. These nutrients help remineralize enamel and protect your teeth. Second on our list is oil pulling. Oil pulling is an ancient natural way to reduce harmful bacteria. Swish a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for 10 to 20 minutes, then spit it out. Number 3. Avoid snacking between meals. Snacking frequently keeps your mouth in an acidic state, which weakens enamel. Give your teeth a break by sticking to set mealtimes and avoiding snacks. Allowing several hours without food helps your saliva naturally remineralizes your enamel and reverse decay. Fourth, use natural remedies. Rinsing with a baking soda solution neutralizes acids and protects enamel. Green tea has antibacterial properties that reduce plaque buildup, and clove oil can soothe tooth pain while promoting oral healing. And finally, brush twice a day and use xylitol gum. Brush your teeth twice a day to remove plaque and bacteria. Pair it with xylitol gum to reduce bacteria and stimulate saliva production, naturally protecting your teeth. And that's it, simple ways to support your teeth naturally and fight cavities. Remember, these tips work best alongside regular dental checkups and good oral hygiene. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more practical health tips. Got questions or tips of your own? Share them in the comments below.